Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing a wig install on my girl Kedra. So first things first, this wig is from Lenny. Y'all can check her out at the Dynasty Boutique. I'll be sure to link something down below so y'all know exactly what to go to. So this is a wig that I had previously installed on her where she was like, okay, just color it and do whatever you want to do. So I had to take a bite. So first thing, I colored it pink. She didn't give me no specific color. I wanted pink because we never did pink on her. She let me try every other color in the rainbow on her. So of course, I'm finna go with a color that I have not seen on her yet. So after I colored it, she was like, do whatever install you want to do. So I don't know if y'all like me, but my mom used to do hair back today. So y'all know them the flat twists with the knots and the ponytail and stuff. I used to kill them 24/7 because my mom used to keep my hair dead. Like, y'all just don't know. So I was like, okay, I want to do something with the little knots because I haven't seen nobody do no style like that. So this is kind of what I did and what I went with. And I think it was cute. And this is her birthday hairdo. So y'all, let me know what y'all think. But let's get back into this install. So this is, again, a used wig. That's why the lace is already cut. But y'all know I work with anything. And I was the one who already installed it. So I already know the lace was like great. Plus, it's linen wigs. Any wigs usually are good. Like, the things, you can reuse them a lot. So I went in with my bold hole active and dropped down some glue suggestions. And I will try to use them because I be wanting to switch up stuff sometimes. And I'm sorry, my voice might go in and out because I am kind of sick. But we just go disregard that. So yeah, I braided her down and I did her ball cap. After you do her ball cap, the tape is optional. I'm gonna say that a million times. It is optional, but I like it because it protects your edges, and I have a lot of people say it makes their install last longer. So it's really up to you if you want to use it or not. But of course, I use it because I like protecting y'all edges. So after you do that, you want to apply your glue and your tape, or just your glue, however you want to do it, or your hairspray, whatever. And then you want to put the lace down. So when it comes down to using a used wig, I try to sit there and fit the wig on their head first before I actually glue it down. I try to you can mark it out, or you can just memorize it like I do, exactly where you need to lay it at, so you ain't cutting off too much lace, so it just ain't looking funny. And usually when I do a reinstall of a wig or touch up anything, I'm always going back in plucking some mold because I feel like I could have did more. You know what I'm saying? So all I'm doing now is just hot combing everything back and putting out them baby hair so I can figure out exactly what I'm gonna do, because y'all, we was literally just going off of nothing. All I know is she said just do us something cute for her birthday, so I had to figure it out, and that's what I did.
Seem to take a step out, get some in out, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mindset. I should've kept from losing the best in me.
I did go off camera and do the ponytail because I figured everybody know how to do a ponytail in the wig. But if y'all don't, of course, just let me know down below and I'll give y'all the video I wanted. But before I actually set the ponytails in, I usually swoop the edges so I can actually blend it all the way. But that's something that's up to you. I just find that it helps me a lot. And when it comes down to curling edges, that's also optional because I be seeing a lot of influencers or content creators or hairstylists saying that you have to do certain steps in hairstyles. You don't have to do nothing, honestly, because I can make the same edges without without a flat iron and without every single thing they use. It's so many different ways to do stuff. So I hate when people act like you gotta use certain stuff. But anyway, it makes it easier, but you don't have to use it. But yeah, so I did go off camera and do the ponytail because I figured y'all probably already knew how to do it. And then after I swooped the edges, I just sprayed it all down and then put the actual ponytail in. As y'all can see me doing right here. I didn't even know that part got recorded. So after I did that is when I was trying to figure out exactly what I was going to do to the ponytail. That's when I started doing knots. So how you do those is basically you take not a piece that's like super small, but small to medium piece, and then you just twist it and start like wrapping it up within itself and creating a little knots kind of. Y'all will kind of see what I'm talking about whenever I actually start doing it, but it's not a full in-depth video on that particular part of the hairstyle.
Seem to take a step out, get some in out, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mindset. I should've kept from losing the best in me. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, yeah, baby, you don't care. Sometimes I be a nuisance, it's just urgent.
So I also feel like this part is a very helpful part when it comes down to doing bangs in people's face. So if you have bangs or antenna pieces, as some of my clients like to call them, if your client wears lashes or if you wear lashes, I usually tell people to do them away from your face, because they will make your lashes look like they lean in. That is so ugly. Or they would just, it's just throw the whole thing off. So you kind of see how I got it out of her face a little bit. And I did go in and cut them because I feel like they was too long for the style I was going for. And I did cut the ponytail too, but I ain't do it too much. I still feel like everything looked cute though. Like you see the little bit of layers that I did. I actually like this style though. Y'all tell me what y'all think. Comment down below. I tried to do a little throwback with it. Let me know what y'all think. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to tell me what videos you guys want next, or what do y'all want to see more in depth with this video. Make sure y'all check out my TikTok too at Call Me Tootie and at Hair by Tootie. And check out my Instagram at Call Me Tootie and at Hair by Tootie.
It's just urgent. Trying to make sense of little change. Got me a war in my mind. Let it go away. Think he was holding me.